So now we're going to do something called the horizontal line test, HLT. It says a graph of a function f passes the horizontal line test if each horizontal line intersects the graph in at most one point. So it can miss the graph entirely, or it could intersect it in one point, but it can't intersect the graph in, there can't be any line that intersects the graph in two or more points for the graph to pass the horizontal line test. Okay? So i.e., no horizontal line intersects the graph in two or more points. Okay, so that's the horizontal line test. It's very much like the vertical line test, except it's just using a horizontal line instead. So if a function f passes the horizontal line test, then the relation f inverse is actually a function. So definition, a function f is 1 to 1, abbreviated 1 to 1, if for any pair of distinct elements, x1, x sub 1, x sub 2 of domain f, f of x sub 1 does not equal f of x sub 2. Now, that might look a little complicated, but all it's saying is that the second coordinate in an ordered pair doesn't repeat. So like if you have 1 comma 2, then you can't have a 2 comma 2. The second coordinates would have to be different. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4 would be okay. So they're saying the second coordinates don't repeat. So it says each value in the range occurs only once. That's just a simple way to look at it for some types of problems. Thus, these following are equivalent. 1. A function f has an inverse function. The inverse is a function, not just a relation. 2. F is 1 to 1. And 3. F passes the horizontal line test. These three things all mean the same thing. So if f passes the horizontal line test, then f is 1 to 1. If f is 1 to 1, then it passes the horizontal line test, right? If f is 1 to 1, then the function f has an inverse function. And if it has an inverse function, then it's 1 to 1. And it passes the horizontal line test, etc. Okay, so these three all really mean the same thing. It's just slightly different ways of thinking about it. So I'll show you an example on the next video.